How to log into Bigo Live. Already have a Bigo Live account and just need to log back in your iPhone. Accessing your profile and live streams is simple if you know your credentials. Let's get you back into Bigo Live. Launch the Bigo Live app on your iPhone. Then on the initial screen, choose the login method that you used when you originally signed up. Options include phone, email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Enter your corresponding login details. If using a social account, you will typically authorize the connection. Once correctly entered, you will be logged back into your Bigo Live account. Let's go with sign in with Facebook. Just click on continue. And then, just like that, you're back in. That's how easy it is to log into Bigo Live on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more Bigo Live tips by liking and subscribing.